Don't make pasta before seeing this recipe. To begin, we will need 10 ounces of pasta. Let's go over with hot water, add salt, and cook it. We'll chop 1 green bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, 1 onion, 1 cucumber, and 2 apples.
Hey friend, remember to send a supportive gift by dive into the comments, hit the gifts box, choose a gift, and send it over.
We'll also need 1 lime. In a bowl, let's put 1 tablespoon of mustard, half a lime juice, 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mayo, salt, and pepper. Let's mix everything. We'll move the vegetables to a bowl. Add 1 can of corn and pour the sauce. Then let's move the pasta to a dish, add olive oil, and add the sauce with the vegetables. To finish, we'll add 1 can of tuna. At the end of the video, give me a grade from 1 to 10 for this recipe. And our delicious pasta is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!